going to be taking you along a couple of days in my life. I'm gonna do a little vlog. I really want to do a little vlog. I have a bunch of things coming up soon. I'm so excited. Literally Drake's concert. I'm going to Drake's concert. He's coming to Florida. It's not like in Miami, like the Miami Heat arena. It's a little bit north, but I'm still going for Christmas. My brother got me tickets. That was my gift. And the days have finally arrived. It's literally this Saturday. I'm so excited. And I have a lot of things coming up and I'm very excited. So I'm going to do a little vlog. I don't know how many days or how this vlog is going to go. It might be all over the place, but I'm just going to take you along a couple of days in my life and make it as fun as possible. But I just received this box. It's a package that I ordered. I actually bought some shoes, so I'm gonna unbox it right now. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these shoes for so long. I've been really wanting to get a new pair of shoes that's not like Nike, because all the shoes that I own are Nike, and I wanted something a little bit different. I mean, I am like a really big Nike fan, but sometimes you just gotta like switch it up, and I wanted a different type of style, so I'm gonna see how they look. So I'm currently in a car wash. I've never been to like a car wash like this, or maybe I have, but like I rarely go to them. Usually the car washes that we do, like you just leave the car and then like they tell you that it takes like 30-40 minutes and then you just come back and get it. But I'm in like a car wash that looks like this. Like you go in it and there's like lights and it does like a bunch of like soap and stuff like that, and I feel like it's like so cool. Like I don't know, I always see videos of people doing them and it's like so cool. So we're here. I'm with my friend, but he went to the ATM to get cash because we didn't know that it was cash and we had to pay. But I'm driving his car because he has like the same car as me, and it's just like more convenient. Like I don't know, he was like eating an ice cream, so I was driving. But yeah, I'm currently waiting for him to come back. I'm by myself and we're next in line, and he better come back fast, because if not, I'm not gonna be able to move, and the car in front of me is like about to be done. But yeah, I'm so excited to get this car wash. It's gonna be super fun and gonna be all clean and stuff, and then we're probably gonna clean the inside because like we're cleaning only the outside in this like automatic self car wash thing, but we're gonna clean the inside after. And there's a lot of garbage in here, so we're gonna clean. There's like garbage in there, a bunch of garbage in here, in the doors, just like a bunch of garbage everywhere. So we're gonna clean it all and it's gonna be spotless. So it's the next day and my friend just texted me. It's currently like 11:30 and my friend just texted me saying that she wants to go to the beach, and she's like, do you want to come with me? And I'm like, of course I do. So I'm gonna get ready to go to the beach, and we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit. She's literally my neighbor. She lives like right in front of me, like the building in front of me, so we share the same like beach access. Well, like I have like my personal like beach access and she has hers, but it connects, so like we're gonna meet at the beach. And I'm super excited because I have been going to the beach so much recently, and I've been getting a little tan, and it's been like a little bit like windy, and like the weather hasn't been that good in Miami recently. If you guys saw like videos on the news and stuff, like Miami has been tweaking a little bit, but today the sun is supposed to, you know, be good. It was a little bit cloudy a little bit ago, but it got better. So we're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna tan, and then we're probably gonna like eat together. We're probably gonna have lunch. I think we're gonna like order sushi or something, I'm not sure, but super excited to go to the beach, and I'm gonna take you guys along.
Set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's
I'm currently with my friend and we're at her pool. She just wants to get her phone because she left it upstairs, but we ordered sushi and it's so good. We ordered a dragon roll, fried rice, and pad thai. It's so good and we're grubbing right now. We're by her pool. We're gonna go to the pool in a little bit. We went to the beach and now we're eating because it's like 3 and we both didn't eat, so we're eating. So good. I never find another. So it is currently March 23rd, 2024. It is 7 p.m. and I am on my way to go see the love of my life, Drake. Aubrey Drake Graham. I'm on my way to see him. He's doing a concert here in Miami and my brother got me tickets for Christmas. It was my Christmas gift, but he didn't feel good today, so he couldn't come with me. He decided not to come because he didn't want to ruin me enjoying it, and he knew that he wouldn't be able to like feel his best. So I'm actually going with my mom. My mom decided to come because my mom also likes Drake. Well, I love Drake. My mom likes Drake, so she's gonna like some songs, she's not gonna like some songs, but I'm literally the happiest girl in the world right now because I'm in love with Drake, and I've been a die-hard Drake fan ever since I could remember, ever since I was like 5 years old, and I can't believe that I'm on my way to see this man. Like, when I see him, I'm going to faint, and I can't believe it. So yeah, also I love my makeup. I feel super cute right now. It turned out super good. I didn't really like have good lighting while I was doing it, so yeah, but it came out pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to like record as much as I can in the concert, but this is like a one-time thing. Like, I'm obviously gonna see Drake in concert again because I'm not done. Like, this is my first time seeing him in concert, but well, seeing him in general because I've never seen him anywhere else. But I'm definitely gonna go to more Drake concerts, but like, imagine something happens and like he retires or something, like, you never know. So this is like a one-time experience right now, and I want to enjoy it and be in the moment as much as I can, because every time I go to a concert I'm too focused on recording, and like, yes, I'm gonna record and get a bunch of videos because I want to like look back on it and stuff, but I want to enjoy as much as I can. So I don't want to be focused on getting the perfect clip all the time. I want to like live in the moment. So I'll try to record as much as I can, but I won't promise anything. But I'm definitely gonna record, like, I'm definitely gonna take you guys along. Also, we stopped by Chipotle and I ate a burrito because I didn't want to eat at the arena because I just don't like that type of food. Like, they probably have like pizza and stuff, and I don't really like that pizza, like, you know. So I decided to stop by Chipotle and I just ate a burrito, and it was so good. So my stomach is happy, I'm happy. We're almost there. We're 4 minutes away. We have our parking pass, we have everything. I have like the tickets on the app. We're ready. We're ready. We're coming for you, Drizzy, and I'm so happy. I'm literally the happiest girl in the world. I can't believe, like, this is surreal. I can't believe this is happening right now. Like, little me is punching the air right now, and so is me right now. Like, I can't. But anyways, I'll see you guys at the arena. So it's currently the next morning. I arrived home last night super late from the concert. Like, literally the concert ended at like 12 or something, and we were like an hour away from home. So we got home at like 1:30 because we ended up getting lost. Like, we got on a highway and then we missed our exit, so we had to go somewhere. I don't even know, it was a mess. And also it took like 30 minutes to find our car because for some reason we couldn't find our car, and like everyone was, you know, like on your car keys, like the panic button. Everyone was like pressing the panic button like to like find their car. It was a mess. But let me tell you, that concert, oh my lord. If you guys know me, I don't know if I've like mentioned this a lot, but like I am like the biggest Drake fan. Like whenever someone says like, oh, who's your favorite singer, your favorite artist? Drake. And it's been Drake my whole life. Drake has always been the one, so then I've always had like another favorite artist, but like Drake has always been number one, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm going on a tangent, but Drake is my number one and will always be my number one. I'm his biggest fan, like literally I'm in love with him. And yeah, so going to his concert yesterday was surreal. It was such a good experience. And yes, I ended up going with my mom because I was supposed to go with my brother, but he ended up getting like food poisoning or something and he couldn't go to the concert because he wasn't gonna like enjoy it and have fun, so I didn't want him to go if he was gonna like ruin the vibe. So I ended up going with my mom, and my mom likes some Drake songs, not all of them, because you know he's like a rapper and my mom doesn't really like know English like that and doesn't really like rap, but she likes like his little R&B like Caribbean type of vibe. So it was so fun. Oh my god, he brought out so many people. He brought Lil Durk, Lil Wayne, Sexy Red, DJ Khaled was also there. It was just such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful and happy that I got the opportunity to go. And our seats were like a little bit like far, like they were a little high because first of all it's really expensive, and second of all it was like packed, like it was literally sold out. So yeah, but anyways, the show was incredible. He is incredible, an incredible performer. He gave a lot of advice and I just had the time of my life. Like I was literally like tearing up, but I didn't want to like ruin my makeup and like have my mascara all messed up, so I had to control my feelings. But it was definitely an emotional and surreal moment for me, and I'm so happy that I got to go, and I will definitely be going to more concerts, so don't get it twisted. Right now I'm finishing packing. I actually have to leave to the airport in an hour and I still have a bunch of things to do. I still haven't finished packing. I have to clean my room, I have to get ready. Like I already took a shower, but like my room right now, like I have to finish packing. And I wanted to do like a pack with me, like a little segment packing, but like I literally didn't have time. Like I've been rushing, like I've had the craziest week ever. But today is Monday and it's spring break officially for me. This week is spring break, so I'm going to Tampa. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm going to Tampa. I'm gonna be staying at a little boy's house. Okay, I'm going to a boy's house and I'm really excited. I'm gonna be there for a week, so yeah, I'll try to vlog. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that, but I'll try to vlog. We're gonna be going to like Busch Gardens, which is an amusement park, and I love roller coasters. It's just gonna be really fun, so I'll probably make a little vlog, but I won't promise that it will be like very good and organized because I'm going to like enjoy myself and like have spring break, not like stress about things. But anyways, I need to finish packing because I have to leave to the airport in an hour and I have so many things to do. Like I'm like so overwhelmed, like I can't. Like we got this mess going on, we got this mess going on, we have just a bunch of things everywhere. Like I need to put all of these products away, like I need to finish packing. It's just a mess. So I'm gonna get everything situated and I'll show you guys when I'm done packing.